Joanne with Stuff to Discuss, and I'm here.
There's also another part of it. It's called Chatterbox. Now, it's just a way to bring people together.
Hi people, this is Joanne with Stuff to Discuss, and I am back for the year of 2016. Yes, of course I missed all the January, February, and now I'm here in March, which is the end of March going on, but who cares? I came back. I try to come back at those other 2 months, but of course I had to be sick, and then other things in my life had to go on. So what I've been doing, though, if you've been watching my channel, is also, or our channel, which is me and Denise's, you know, going on red carpets, doing interviews. Those are great, so check those out. And also just basically, you know, just, I don't know, trying to take care of business. I'm going to start with my favorites of March. So I'm going to forget about January and February because I had some favorites then, but I'm combining those and bringing them into March. Alright, so my favorite, let's start with books. Okay, so my favorite book that I kept eyeballing because I've been into, like, you know, fashion and stuff like that, right, to know about fashion, but I don't want I don't want to pay a lot of money. So I got this book at Barnes & Noble's, and it's the fashion book right here, and basically it's got all the fashion. I don't know if you can see it. I'm gonna look over here. Oh, there you go. Fashion of all the fashion designers, and I thought it was pretty cool. So I got it to also put it up on my in the back. Here's the back. It's actually gonna do it like this. There you go. It was only like, I don't know now. I'm gonna lie. Ooh, I don't know. Was it 24 bucks, 30 bucks, something like that? But this is a cool book to have. Like, to put on your counter. You know, it's like, you know. It's called The Little Book of Chanel, and this is Chanel's Little Book of Chanel's life and legacies and one of her history's most influential couturiers. I don't know. But anyway, this is about Chanel, and it's got some cool pictures of her life and things like this. And I see ladies demonstrating or kind of viewing what they favorites are about Chanel. I probably do that too because I've been on the Chanel kick lately, along with Louis Vuitton. Yeah. So yeah, cute little book. This book was also at Barnes & Noble, and I've been getting like Barnes & Noble 15% off of what you buy in the store. And I know they don't take care of much, 15, but sometimes you get 20 or 30%. And so I've been buying the books there, so that's pretty cool. So this is my favorite book. Okay, so my makeups that I like for March, and actually it's been for February and January, like I told you, it's a combination, is basically been the Maybelline, I'm gonna put it down, the Maybelline Lash Sensational Full Fan Effects Waterproof. Ooh, waterproof. But this is such, I like this. I saw the commercial. I go by the commercials and then I'll go buy it. But see, this, I like the one is very thick, but it also curves a little bit, and it totally gets your your lashes up there where it looks like you have falsies on. I thought that was fake, but you know, I like Maybelline. Maybelline is the bomb.com, and this color is by Revlon. And basically, I like this color. It is called, it's a 660 number, Cream Berry Hot. It is a creamy base to it, and you can barely tell that you have it on. Why is when you're in front of a camera you can't talk? Alright, so next is my favorite. It's by e.l.f., which is eyes, lips, and face. It's a golden bronzer, and it comes in this package. And I don't want to blind you with the mirror, but it's got the bronzer of different size right here. And I like it because I use this brush that is like a fan type of brush, and then you brush it along the cheeks. And I did put it on some today. I don't think it did, but yeah. And so, but I like this, and I think it was like maybe $2, maybe $1, $2. But got it at Walmart, and e.l.f. line makeup is so cheap, but it is grand. Next would be that I use this constantly, and I'm glad I found out about it, was the MAC Studio Care Blend, and this is in the deep, dark deep for my complexion. And I use it all the time because it's light, and even if you sweat, say you go dancing, you know, with an event, or you're sweating and of stress sweat, because that's what I do, then you sweat, but then you wipe it off. and it doesn't feel like you don't like wipe masses of makeup off of you. Basically, that the makeup stays. If that makes sense. So my perfume that I go to Goodwills, I go to antique shops. I got this one called Poison, and I don't know if I mentioned this before. Christian Dior, Paris. I got this, and this bottle alone costs like $58 on eBay, but I got it for $4. But yeah, this basically Poison is called, and they make a lot of these type of styles. I don't know, I have to look it up what Dior has, Christian Dior, as far as the perfume line. This, you put it on, dab, bam, bam, going about your business, keep it pushing, and basically this just makes you smell good the whole day. So next would be my favorite glasses. Now I get cheap glasses, and I've found expensive ones too, but I've gotten these glasses right here at Forever 21, and these little spectacles, I want to call them, are really cute glasses. And look at them, they're like, yeah, I'm jamming. Yeah, no, just kidding. But I've been wearing it, just grabbing these because they're light, and they're just like, you know, they cost $5. So I deal with $5 glasses. Did I say it right? And basically, these glasses right here are just so cute, and I think they go with anything. So yeah, this is the Louis Vuitton Emily wallet. I think it's Emily. Please tell me it's Emily. Or Sarah. No, it is Emily. No, I have a Sarah wallet. And so here you go. You got the red right here, and you got the, you know, the compartments right here, and you got the compartments right here, and you got a compartment here, and you got a compartment down in here. You know, I love when you ladies demonstrate because I suck at it. But anyway, I'm gonna try my best to demonstrate it. And you got the red little button here, and it's so skinny. Oh, and then you got your little zipper fool thing right here for the you know, the what do you call it? I don't know, but you got it. The not makeup, it's creams, like, you know, day creams, facial creams and creams. So this is already used up, but I have to go buy some more anyway. And this one's by, you know, it's the, I don't know, Equate, is that how you pronounce it? Beauty regenerating a daily serum, and it's moisturizing. So it's to moisturize. You put it on after you get your cleaning your face, and I love this because serum is expensive and this is not. So there you go. I get it at Walmart, and basically you see I used it all anyway. So basically I have to get some more, but I like it, just pump a little bit on, and it makes your face feel like a baby's bottom. It don't want to be a baby's bottom, but yeah, it's so soft. Next cream that I like, and I just got it at Ross, or yeah, Ross. I think it's Ross. Please tell me it's Ross. Marshalls. There you go. Got it at Marshalls. It's a retinol and vitamin E day cream spa with Dead Sea minerals for mature skin. Oh, I feel mature. And so basically it comes in this beautiful bottle, but I'm using most of it, and I would take a closer picture if you need to. But yeah, this is actually pretty cool. It was only like $5 because it was on sale, or they marked the price down. But yeah, this makes your skin for the day really feel just like light, like you. All right, so that is it for my favorites for this month of March, of course, this month of March. So basically I am going to show you hopefully more of those type of videos for stuff to discuss, and I'm gonna come with you. Also, I've been checking out you guys's you know, YouTubes with tags and about, you know, my 5 favorites bags. I've you know, Chanel's, Louis Vuitton's. I love Dooney & Bourke, so I've been buying like some more of those bags. I just recently bought a crossbody one, so I'll definitely share that with you guys. And also just the, you know, stuff discussed, trending, pet peeves, and what were they thinking. All right, so I am out. Don't forget to like this channel, or like the channel, subscribe of course, and comment nice comments on what you think about you know, my favorite March things. So anyway, thank you again. I'll see you at the next stuff to discuss, and I am out. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video, and of course don't forget to watch our other videos from Stuff to Discuss with me and Denise. She's my sister-in-law, of course. And don't forget to click on subscribe and click on the button like, of course. So again, thanks for watching, and I'm out.
Here I go on my way, I see more clearly and I feel strong.